What's up, guys? So, are you a carpet cleaner? Can you not get that phone to ring? You're struggling, you're stressed out. Well, I got something for you. All right, guys. So if you want to be successful in this carpet cleaning industry, well, you need to show up here. All right. Once you show up here, it's a game changer. Your life is gonna change. So that should be your main goal, is to show up in the Matt Pack. Now this is local profile. When somebody types in carpet cleaning in your city, you want to show up there or really close below. All right. But your main goal should be to show up there. But before you can show up there, you need to show up here. Okay. Advertise. So you're going to have to advertise. Right. You're going to have a good website. A website that is SEO optimized and actually converts those leads that come from here, all right, to your phone, right? If they show up on your website and they're not impressed, they're not convinced, they're gonna bounce, right? So all that advertising is a waste. Google advertising is the #1 way businesses are succeeding. You got to get that down. You got to make a good ad. So most of the time people hire people to do it for them. That's where they get the best results. What if you had a service that combined everything into one? That's what we're going to talk about here. I know, nasty job. All right, so running your own business, right? Building your own business is very, very important. That's why we have Green Rhino Academy. Okay, below all my videos, Green Rhino Project YouTube channel, you're going to find the direct link and you can check that out if you're just starting out. But when your business is built, you got to get that phone to ring. All right, that's the most important part. You can be the best cleaner on earth, but if you can't get the phone to ring, right, you just got a bunch of equipment and you're going to be cleaning for yourself. So we just partnered up with Matt from Carpet Cleaner Ads, and we provide a service just like I was talking about earlier. Okay, everything in one. So if you got a website that isn't converting, we're gonna fix that. We're gonna build you a brand new website. We're gonna make that website that is SEO optimized, so Google loves it. And not only that, we're gonna add a new page to your website once a week. Google's gonna really love you. We're gonna build an ad for you that actually works, that you're not blowing a bunch of money on. So a lot of people out there built their own ads and they're just blowing through money and not getting any results. And I get it, very, very frustrated. And Google doesn't make it easy for us, right? They change stuff up all the time. There's things that worked one month and don't work so great the next month. It's how it is. So that's why they hire professionals. So we're going to build an ad for you that actually works and converts. You can get a free website. You're going to get an SEO optimization on that website. You're going to get ongoing SEO services that typically cost about $1,000 plus a month just for that. The website's free to keep even if you decide not to use us anymore. No contract. Pulling out my other van, we're doing a lot of hard floor cleaning services, and this has got a lot of space in here, and we're going to be loading machines with that. Love this place. They offer all this, that's kind of how my carpet cleaning business is run. You're going to get professionally built Google ads that actually convert, and when they land on your website, it's not going to be a lost lead, which is so important. See, I'm a carpet cleaning business owner. My partner, Matt, from Carpet Cleaner Ads, is a ex-carpet cleaning business owner. He built his business from Green Rhino Academy, built it so well, he sold it. And he understands his skills can help other carpet cleaners build their businesses. Therefore, what he does and what I do is like the perfect match, right? And who's it gonna benefit? It's gonna benefit you. Is it gonna break the bank? No. That's the point. So back to the Matt Pack. You need to be there. And the only way you're going to be there is by work. You can do it yourself, which is a lot of work. Or you can hire somebody like us to do it for you. Now, there's other services out there. Welcome to go out there and check it out. But you're not going to get what you're going to get with us. Bottom line, point blank. Just like I say about my course in Green Rhino Academy, it's the greatest carpet cleaning course on the planet. And so is this service. You know what's worse than having a carpet cleaning business that is not working well and you're about to hang it up? Is having a carpet cleaning business with a resource that can actually help you succeed and change your life and not be able to find it before you make that decision. Now, as far as the mat pack, I know guys are saying, well, I don't have 1,000 reviews, you know, I don't have that. So how am I going to show up there? Guys, it's more than that. If it was just about reviews, look in the top 3 and see the differences, right? Start looking around each city. There is a difference. So you can have way less than the top guys in your area, but still show up, okay? So that's what we're here for, all right? If we can provide premium results at a fraction of the cost what the competitors are doing, wouldn't that be great? Well, that's what we're doing. So if you want to learn more about this, go ahead down below. There's a link, and yeah, and check that out and get a consultation. You know, a free consultation. We'll go over your business. We'll see what we can do for you. If we can't help you out, we can't help you out. We'll let you know. But if you're watching this video still, yeah, we can probably help you out.